Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tao Salam. Always your host, always your favorite host. I'm back again. My first video on YouTube got me about 6 subscribers. I'm so happy about that. I didn't even know it was gonna play out that way. I didn't know people were gonna subscribe and like the content that much. I didn't even have any plan of doing any video today, but due to the love that they showed me and the care that okay you want to learn from this channel, that I just said okay, I'm gonna make another video today for my people. I was just thinking of players that the trade and also BTC. Okay, this they mostly everyone trades this, so I just thought let me make a video on this. Thank you so much to those 6 subscribers. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. That's the business of today. Everyone knows me. I'm Tao Salam, trader, forex trader, beginner forex trader. I analyze the market using a strategy called the top-down analysis. Top-down analysis is a strategy, just pretty much the simplest strategy in the world. Just going from the higher time frames and work your way down to the lower time frames to execute your trade. It's just that easy. Monthly overall flow deliver, weekly clock levels, daily. It's the daily trend that is tradable. Then go to the 4 hour to use your entry strategies trade. It's just as simple as that. I don't use no indicators. I just trade based on price action. So my own is just trade very easy. Use my tools. I use no indicators. I just use normal price action. I'm a swing trader and I use the top down analysis. So guys, let me quickly set up something now. Just give me a second. Yeah. So I'd like to welcome you guys right inside my screen. So let's go. You guys are right in my screen. So as you guys can see on my screen, this is BTC USD. This is BTC USD. As you guys can see, it is in an uptrend. It's so obvious. First law of top-down analysis states that we go on higher time frames to check the overall flow of the river. We must check the overall flow of the river, where it's flowing to. We don't want to go against the flow of the river. Anyone that goes against the flow of the river is going to get wiped out by the river. So you don't get wiped out by the market. You don't give the market your money. No one wants to give the market their money. So I'm going to do is go to the monthly time frame to identify the overall flow of the river. So what I'm going to do now is on the monthly time frame we can see higher high, lower high. This made an equal high around here. We made a lower low. This made a higher high to this. Made a lower high, higher high, lower high, and this is about to be a higher high. So now we're currently on an uptrend. This is clear uptrend. So as you can see now, this is an uptrend. We have identified the flow of the river. We have identified this uptrend. So now we go on to the weekly. The weekly is where we scale down to identify chart patterns and plot our key levels. We identify chart patterns and plot our key levels. So now let's plot our key levels first. Key levels are very important. They play a very significant role in the forex market. I know people are wondering how I plot my key levels. I just check where price has touched the most, where price has touched and reacted. That is how you plot your key levels. Significant places where price has touched, not minor zones. These are major zones. These are major key levels I'm talking about here. Major key levels. I plot them so nicely. Yeah, so now we're back now. So as you guys can see, this ranged for this amount of time. Didn't know what to do. The market didn't know what to do. So now as we can now see, it blew out. The weekly candle closed above this major zone, and we are confirming what we did. Now we are pulling back to this zone. You can see a weak touch this zone. So that this is the key. It is the key zone. I'm mapping out the key zone. Now we are confirming what we did to the upside. Now for the chart patterns, this from a double bottom around here, formed a double bottom around here. Rally all the way to the upside. This formed a double top. This looks like a double top around here. Pushed all the way to black. In a way, this looks like a double bottom also around here. This looks like a double bottom. If I should zoom it really nicely, this looks like a double bottom around here. Rally all the way to the upside. I think now the market is trying to at least stick around here. If he wants to pull back, I'll prefer a pullback to this video, because this looks like a pullback. Looks like he wants to pull back. I prefer a pullback to this video. So now we go on to the daily time frame. The daily time frame is where we come. This is the daily time frame trend that is tradable. So now, as you guys know, as you can see right about now, this is a double top right here. This is a double top, and if you should see this pretty nicely and properly, this is the neckline of the double top. This is the neckline of the double top, and laws of price action state that it must break out and retest of the neckline for us to confirm that okay, we are heading down. For example now, let's say the market breaks out of this and doesn't retest. It's not sure. I tell you for free, it's not sure. It must retest back, then confirm to us that okay, I'm heading down now. So now this looks like long term we are bullish, medium term we are bearish. How does that happen? It happens in the sense that okay, let's say monthly is 10 was bullish, weekly is in between, we are bullish and we are bearish. Then it's not telling us that I'm about to go bearish medium term, but I'm still bullish all the way. I'm about to go bearish medium term, but we are bullish all the way, because this is a bearish chart formation, a double top, a bearish chart formation, a double top. So we are bearish medium term, so we know that. So if you want to trade in the medium term direction, we need double confirmation. You don't want to go against the flow of the river. Even if you want to go against the flow of the river, you must confirm twice. You must see double confirmation formed. So now what we need to do now is this should break, a daily candle close below this, we test here and confirm I'm moving all the way to the downside. So now we go on to the 4 hour. This is why I execute my trade. I don't execute my trades on 15 minutes, 10, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, or an hour. I just scale down to the hour to just check, just to confirm. As you can see, this has been a very strong side, very strong. So now we are breaking out. I'll wait for a 4-hour candle close below here, and the 4-hour candle will test here. Then I'm sure that we're carrying it all the way to the downside now. So what I'm going to do is, I want us to sit on our hands for now. I really want us to sit on our hands for now, because this market isn't right. It's not right yet. It's not right at all yet. But it will soon be right. Just give it a day. At most 2 days. It's right for entries. And our first level target will be here, because I'm thinking the market will likely mostly pull back around here. Will likely mostly drop here, because the market can drop here and storm all the way to the upside, because that was 100% retracement level. They can come here and storm all the way to the upside. Imagine you guys trading this bearish market now. It gets here, you are hoping for it to get to this zone, but get to this side and start storming all the way to the upside. You guys didn't adjust your stop, you guys didn't adjust your stop loss. You guys didn't trail it. Just start hitting stop loss, coming out losses. What is a taboo to me? A trade is profitable, you know it's profitable, and you come out to losses. How is that possible? Greed. You greed plays a major role in forex trading. Greed plays a major role in forex trading. Many forex traders, due to greed, let's say you opened 18 positions on this trade now, and 18 of them are in profit, and you are expecting this one, and it gets to this one, you have mapped out this one, you get in like, no, you still drop, it will still drop. What if it gets here and starts attacking your stop loss? What are you gonna do? You want to beat the market? No. There's nothing you can do. The market does play better than you, play better than you. So you too, greed should not be a major decision in your forex trade. Greed destroys. But some people, greed helps them. But see, take whatever you can take from the market and keep. That will serve as leverage to your trading account to help you enter another position. Enter positions around here. Enter positions around here. That is if it's even dropped to the zone. That is if it's dropped to the zone. But my first bias is here. It's surely going to drop around here unless we see a turn over. But like this is dropping here. It's dropping here. I also wanted to relay the message to you guys. Thank you guys so much, and please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much, and peace out.